how to borrow money on Cash App. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the Cash App application right here. And once inside, you can just go ahead and navigate through your profile section. You can do that by clicking on the profile icon at the corner of your screen. And once inside, you want to scroll down until you find the support section. Inside support, you can just go ahead and type borrow and see for yourself whether your Cash App account is eligible for the borrow feature. Now take note that Cash App borrow feature is not yet available for all regions in US, so you can just go ahead and check out whether you have the eligible region for this feature. Right after that, you can just go ahead and read the features and limits right here. You need a approved by sponsored, and Sportsart account will have the access to the following features. Now the usage of your Cash App application or your Cash app will impact on whether you will get the new borrow feature on Cash App. So make sure that you keep using your Cash App account in order to enable this feature. And once you have enabled this feature, you can just go ahead and navigate through the main menu of your Cash App, and from there you will be able to see the borrow money button. You can just go ahead and click on it and proceed from there. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.